Hello friends! Today I would like to show you three main tools our kids are dealing with at our Sverlyk workshop. We'll start with Dremel Moto Saw. It's a very easy and safe to use tool and our children gladly do so. We use it for cutting and carving. The next one is a multifunctional rotary tool Dremel 3000. We use it to grind, to polish and to drill our crafts. This small one is DREMEL Versatip. In a real life, most often it is used as a solder, but we use it to make marks by burning. These are not the only tools we use at our workshop, but these ones we use most often. To sum up, I would like to say that in September, more than 320 kids have visited our free masterclasses. I honestly feel that we become better and improve with every new child, and they become a little bit happier here at Sverlyk. Thanks to your donations, Sverlyk still exists. So please keep on supporting. It is very important for us.
In this difficult time for Ukraine, we really need your support. So please join us on our social networks, Instagram, Telegram, Facebook and YouTube. You can also donate at PayPal and Patreon. Thank you.